It's Saturday morning here in Oceanside at the Saturday Tai Chi. And it's slightly drizzling. I actually didn't think many people would show up. But I get here and you can see there are some seriously committed people that do Tai Chi. So this is the Green Band Committed Tai Chi group. That means they show up. Rain or storm or sunshine, they show up and we do Tai Chi. You can probably slightly see the mist that's falling right off the ocean here. So if you haven't made it out to join us yet, this is the group that you want to be part of. They show up, and it doesn't matter if it's raining or not. You got to come on out.